Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check the printer driver version on your Canon printer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by up in the top right to category view, and then select hardware and sound. Underneath devices and printers, select advanced printer setup, and then select your Canon printer from this list, and then go down and select where it says printer properties. Select printer properties, select the maintenance tab, and then select the about button. This will tell you the driver name as well as what version number it is as well over here in this other column. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.